Keeping your car running efficiently is not just about taking it to the mechanic every time there's a problem. As a car owner, there are several things you can do to maintain your car's mileage and save money on fuel costs. Whether you're a new car owner or have been driving for years, here are 10 simple things you can do to improve your car's fuel efficiency. Check tire pressure regularly. This is one of the easiest things you can do to improve your car's fuel efficiency. Just use a tire pressure gauge to check the pressure and refer to the owner's manual for the recommended pressure. Properly inflated tires can save you money on fuel costs in the long run. Drive smoothly. Avoid sudden acceleration and braking, which can waste fuel and lower your car's mileage. Gradual acceleration and maintaining a consistent speed can help you achieve better mileage. Anticipate traffic flow to avoid sudden braking. Remove excess weight. Avoid carrying unnecessary items in your car, as extra weight can reduce fuel efficiency. Also, removing roof racks or bike carriers when not in use can improve aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Change the air filter regularly. A dirty air filter can reduce fuel efficiency, so make sure to check and change the air filter according to the manufacturer's recommended schedule. Keep up with regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is crucial to keep your car running efficiently and prevent more serious problems down the road. Follow the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, including oil changes, spark plug replacements, and other necessary maintenance tasks. Use the recommended fuel. Using the recommended fuel for your car can improve fuel efficiency and prevent damage to the engine. Check the owner's manual or fuel cap for the recommended fuel type. Keep your engine clean. Cleaning your engine from time to time can improve fuel efficiency and prevent damage to the engine. You can use a mild detergent and water to clean the engine externally. Check your fuel cap. A loose or damaged fuel cap can cause fuel to evaporate, reducing fuel efficiency. Make sure the fuel cap is tightened properly and in good condition. Use the right engine oil. Using the recommended engine oil for your car can improve fuel efficiency and prevent damage to the engine. Check the owner's manual for the recommended engine oil grade and viscosity. Use air conditioning wisely. Using the air conditioning system can reduce fuel efficiency, so use it wisely. Try to park your car in the shade or use sunshades to reduce the need for air conditioning. When using air conditioning, set the temperature to a comfortable level and turn it off when it is not needed. In conclusion, maintaining good car mileage in India is not just about following a strict maintenance schedule. Simple things like checking tire pressure regularly, driving smoothly, removing excess weight, and using the right engine oil can make a big difference in your car's fuel efficiency. By following these 10 tips, you can keep your car running smoothly and save money on fuel costs in the long run. So start implementing these tips today and enjoy a smoother and more efficient ride.